Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be going over my Python project, The Adventures of California. Languages used would include Python with Django, some jQuery, MySQL database, Bootstrap, Google Maps API is integrated in there, HTML, CSS, and at the time it was hosted on Amazon's AWS EC2. Not anymore. I took it down for something else to be hosted, but I did have that integrated in there. So starting from the top, here we are on the home page, which has a scroll bar, or excuse me, a carousel of images. You'll see we have our nav bar, which is a sticky. As I keep scrolling down, it's going to boop right there to the top. Within the menu, since we're not logged in, it's pretty basic. It's just the three nav or categories that I've separated it into, which is oceans, mountains, and deserts, and then prompts you to log in or sign up. For this site, I went back and forth on it, but I decided you have to log in to be able to use the services. We'd want to capture those folks' emails and things like that. So let's go ahead and just, obviously on the menu you could click login, but if you didn't know and you wanted to see adventures, when I click in, it's going to prompt me straight into the login page. If I was a member, then obviously I would log in here. Since we're not, we're going to go ahead and register and create an account. I do have validations and things set up, so if I click register, yeah, we're going to get the list of all of them, assuming that, since obviously it was completely empty. So let's go ahead and make a profile, testaroo.com, and register. So now that we've logged in, we're back at the home page, but you'll notice that on our nav bar here, things have changed. We can view our profile, view past posts, and edit our posts. If we click into one of these categories, we're going to see all the different posts that have already existed. So we clicked into the ocean one, so we have all our different ocean ones that have been posted by other users. If we were to, if we were to click into mountains, obviously the image then changes and all of our mountain categories are in here. This is a completed wireframe, so excuse some of the repeat images for here. They are just placeholders. Version 2.0, I'd want to be able to get it, looking even better and all that stuff as well. But for now, we're focusing on functionality. So clicking into one, you can see the title and the average rating of the ratings it's received so far below, and the description of the user and any images that they decided to upload pertaining to their post. Since we're a new user, we can write a review of it ourselves and give it a rating, or just view the different ratings that it's received so far. Let's go ahead and go back. Obviously, we can add our own adventure in here as well, just clicking which one it's pertaining to, and then all the different details. For our profile, we can view our profile. Obviously, it's very basic right now because we haven't done anything. It would list all of our different posts that we've made, and we can manage them, but right now it's a bit empty. So I think probably next is jumping into the admin level. So right now, we're just a basic user, so we can just manage our own. If I were to log out, though, let's go ahead and log in as an admin. There we go. And then let's see that nav bar. You'll see we now have this called user dashboard. So essentially that's the admin's dashboard. When I click into it, it actually shows all of our different users that exist so far, or we can manage them. When someone joins off the bat, their user level is a 1, which has them just regular Joe Schmo that don't have any admin capabilities. And then since I am an admin, I can upgrade them to another level. And obviously then also delete the people if for some reason we wanted them removed or things like that. We can also manage all the different posts from here, so I can go in and if there's anything slanderous or something that just needs to be removed, I can delete it right off the bat. Boom, no problems. So yeah, so that's basically the main capabilities, and limited only to the admin user levels. So I think next is probably just taking a peek at the code here. So for the most part, let's go to home. Most important thing is I really try to keep things organized. So obviously there's the indentions and such, but also lots of notes. So here we are at the home that you saw. We have our top carousel of images. We have that nav bar, which is the sticky underneath it. We have those 3 blocks showing oceans, mountains, deserts. We have the bus image. We have the footer. So it's all well categorized. So anyone can go in and try to find what they're looking for pretty easily. Same with the login we were at. We have nav bar. We have the login section with the form. We have our footer, along with the CSS then that goes with it. So since we're on login, then going into the login CSS, this is everything pertaining to that page. So again, it's just easy way to be able to navigate, even if it's someone new coming into the code, to be able to figure things out pretty easily. I think that's about it. That should cover it. Thanks for watching. And please email me if you have any questions or anything like that. Have a great day.